Lamborghini North Los Angeles proudly presents this 2008 Lamborghini Gallardo LP 560-4 Spyder. Equipped with a 5.2-liter, 560 horsepower V10 engine and a 6-speed E-gear transmission with all-wheel drive. This car is finished in a beautiful Blu Fontus exterior color with Blue Scylla and Cuoio Olimpus interior. This Gallardo is in excellent condition and comes well optioned, including Q-Citura pattern stitching, E-gear, electric and heated seats, rear view camera, navigation, anti-theft system, Homelink, leather package, branding package, front wing and body color, yellow calipers, and much more.